is that you're presented with a selection of the 4 aces, and then one card is hidden. And what you're supposed to do here is select which of the 4 aces you believe the hidden card to be. So let's say I select this one, and we can see, well, okay, I wasn't right. But for the more mathematically inclined, you'll recognize that this is just a binary choice. And if I were to repeat this process n times and have x successes, well, the probability of that outcome is given by the binomial distribution. Now, through Bayes' formula, we can of course invert that question and ask, what's your true rate of successes, just based on intuition? Now, that probability distribution is given in the top right. In Bayesian terminology, this is known as the posterior distribution. Well, here we have a scenario where a card is randomly chosen. That is the hidden card with 1/4 probability. And our whole process of getting to Bayes' formula through a likelihood function is based on the assumption that this process is indeed probabilistic. And I can tell you, because, well, I wrote this program, that the selection of the hidden card is based on a random number generator. So everything sort of plays out. It seems like a fair assumption that this is a probabilistic process, and that we're testing your intuition for guessing the hidden card. But here's the kicker. Random number generators are not actually random. They also follow a deterministic process, but a deterministic process which is very hard to track, so appears to be random. So again, I ask the question, are there actually truly random processes in our daily experience? If we were to do this with an actual card deck, we know that the dynamics of how the cards move throughout the deck as we shuffle is actually fully deterministic. So that would make the scenario even worse. At this point, often people try to invoke something around quantum mechanics. But of course, quantum mechanics doesn't actually make any statements about the nature of reality in terms of whether or not fundamentally the universe is random or deterministic. It just sets a limit on how well things can be known, through relations like the uncertainty principle. In fact, if you'd like to know more about deterministic models of quantum mechanics, you can check out my friend's channel, Quantum Beables. If you enjoyed this, please like and subscribe, because it does help. And hey, thanks for watching.